Hello, my name is Angelo. I'm 25 years old. Last year I was working at FedEx and I had a pretty bad injury while working there. Basically, I fell out of the van. I was going a little too fast and I stepped backwards and I thought I was stepping on the step, but I fell on nothing and I kind of just landed on my back. And basically that's the reason why I'm here now, because it's been bothering me since, and that was last year. So the next day I actually tried to work and I couldn't, because it was just like I couldn't lift anything. Even like a 10-pound box, I couldn't lift anything. My mobility is much more improved. I feel like I'm more stronger. I could lift heavy again, especially at this work that I'm at. It's not as heavy labor as the FedEx, but I still do a lot of heavy lifting. I've noticed an improvement throughout the weeks that I've been here, because when I first got here, it wasn't that busy at work, and now that it's picked up, I've noticed the progress that I'm able to withstand with it. I can jog. I can't play basketball 100% yet, but I'm getting there, just one day at a time.
This is Angelo, prior to start of care, and this has been after about 4 months of kind of on and off work, but ultimately this is the after effect. So much more improvement in that neck and the function of it and stability of it when we have a straighter neck that way. Still more to go, but much improvement.
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. I liked everybody. Everybody is fun to talk to. It was a great company. They do their job well. They know what they're doing as well. They are very knowledgeable of what they tell you, and they kind of just study your body and just kind of like see what you can improve on, and it's pretty awesome. So they will take care of you, but you also have to put in the work as well. They have all the knowledge that you need. They have the resources. You just got to put in the work. That's it.